はい、行徳レトロブス文江隆のコミュニケーショントレーナーやバイリンガル YouTuber. Today also I would like to inform you important communication and various kind of topics. Yeah, of course, containing as a health consultant, a healthy point and a political point and every kind of matter. Today the see is my recommendation, Mr. Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report. Very instructive YouTube program, HOOVER report. Okay, today, okay. It is true. It is reality. After World War II, 80 years has been passed, but every person don't know have a consent idea or opinion. What was World War II? America guilty? Japan is guilty. Why Japan has been attacked by an atomic bomb, Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Every kind of matter has been occurred after World War II, and to say the long range, the Meiji era, Meiji Ishin. After Meiji Ishin, this kind of history cannot be, how can I say, talked. If we will take a look at textbook of university, textbook of high school or junior high school, historical textbook, we cannot understand. We cannot understand why World War II or Japan and China war has been occurred, and after World War II, these 80 years, what kind of politics has been prevailing in this country? Nobody know well about that. Okay, in order to master what kind of history has been streamed after World War II and Meiji Restoration, what can I say, Ishin, we Japan cannot understand what is our country, what is Japan. In order to master of our own individual consent, individual realization, we should review the total history after Meiji. Very important, very important. Okay, In order that, I recommend you to taking a look at Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report. You can get easily if you will taking a look at YouTube. Nishi Toshio-san no HOOVER report. About 50 or 100 series has been spreading now. You can easily get at talking of Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report. You can understand perfectly. What is reality after Meiji era? What stream has been, what has been occurred in this country, in our history, this country, you can understand. Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report is very neutral point of view, not having a bias. But if we will study the history of this country after Meiji era, it is only to memorization. When that occurred, nothing, no in vain to study the Japanese history after Meiji era. In order to study what is reality, what is real history of this country, I recommend you strongly to see the HOOVER report of Nishi Toshio-san. You can get reality of this country's history. Okay. To see some example, after World War II, 80 years ago, 7 prisoner, war prisoner has been hanged, 公主刑. Top person was Toshio Hideki Taisho. 7 persons has been killed in Sugamo prison, but there are several persons who has been released by the support of America, by the selection of America, GHQ. Released person will become the top leader of this country. I would like to say 3 persons. Number 1, Yoshida Shigeru. Prime Minister of this country, and Kishi Nobusuke, grandfather of Prime Minister Abe, and top person in Japan, total master of gamble,笹川良一. That 3 persons has been have a right given from the GHQ to control this country. GHQ, of course, America used that 3 as a person, as a spy of America, as a spy of America. If you were taking a look at the HOOVER report of Nishi Toshio-san, it is clear because in the America, there are the real data, real information has been appeared in the America, 公文書館 in America. That 3 persons was America's GHQ's spy controlling of this country. So around 80 years, this country has been controlled by America as a colony, as a colony. And such mainly the 3 persons was a key person to control of this country. So that, those people made LDP. LDP has been made by America in order to control this country. So that in this time, LDP is thinking and thinking. And after next lower house election, 衆議院、選挙, LDP will be, absolutely think 終わるだろう. In order that they are given appearing a very nice party, for example, 参政党, 国民党, or 公明党, and other party, will have a strong power in order to make this country more nice, country. In order that we should support, every civil person should study the real history of this country after Meiji era, and mainly after World War II. What kind of politics has been sovereign this country? Strongly controlled by America. So we should release the control of America. For example, Nishi Toshio-san explaining, there are 3 tools to control in this country. Japan and American security alliance, that means 日米安保. And the second is agreement, second agreement is 日米合同委員会. And the number 3, a very strong controlling tool is Okay, I will show you back. Yeah, that's SEMA. Yeah, 日米地位協定. Yeah, that three tools strongly. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, squeezing this country, controlling this country. By releasing, turn by turn, such a controller, Japan should be in a free country in order to be in absolutely, 民主主義の国家. What can I say? Real nation. We should do. Okay, in order that, I recommend you to study the Toshio-san's HOOVER report. You can understand the real history of this country after Meiji era, of course, after World War II. Thank you very much today.